Tired of unreliable keyless remotes that fail when you need them most? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment 4-button keyless entry remote promises the dependable performance you expect from General Motors, ensuring your vehicle's security and convenience stay intact. This remote offers 4 essential buttons: lock, unlock, panic, and trunk release. Designed as a brand new OE replacement, it matches your original remote in both function and durability. Plus, it comes with a battery included, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Whether you want to secure your vehicle, open the trunk remotely, or trigger the panic alarm in emergencies, this remote covers it all seamlessly. Many keyless remotes on the market cut corners with cheap materials that break quickly. I learned this firsthand after trying an inexpensive aftermarket replacement that fell apart within months. That experience pushed me to invest in the ACDelco OEM remote, the very same quality part recommended by GM. It's made to fit your GM vehicle perfectly, delivering the long-lasting service life and reliable performance you deserve. Worried about authenticity? It's a valid concern. Many sellers mix genuine OEM parts with lower quality knockoffs. That's why buying directly from Amazon gave me peace of mind. The remote arrived in a sealed ACDelco package, the same packaging you'd get from a GM dealer, guaranteeing you receive a true OEM product with brand new electronics and casing. Programming this remote is straightforward for many models, with instructions included for DIY setup. However, some vehicles may still require a visit to a GM dealer or ACDelco service center for programming. Either way, the process is designed to get you back on the road quickly without hassle. If you're ready to upgrade from unreliable aftermarket remotes and want the assurance that comes with an OEM product, this ACDelco keyless entry remote is worth a look. It's built to last, fits perfectly, and restores full remote functionality to your GM vehicle. Don't settle for less when it comes to your vehicle's security and convenience. Try the ACDelco GM Original Equipment 4-button keyless entry remote when you're ready to experience a trusted replacement that works like the original.